Duke Energy is North Carolina's biggest utility, and it's the only option for most people across our state. That's why some businesses in North Carolina want the General Assembly to approve a study to see if competition for control of the electric grid would lower your electric bill. WRAL's Chelsea Donovan explains what this means for you.
If you live in our state, you're very likely to get your energy from Duke Energy, coming from a power substation like this one. But some groups and businesses are pushing for options to help drive down the costs and keep businesses from going elsewhere for lower prices. Over Christmas week, nearly 500,000 Duke Energy customers experienced rolling blackouts.
The vast majority lost it because Duke's gas operations froze up.
Chris Kermody with Carolina's Clean Energy Business Association says that incident is one reason to move away from North Carolina's monopoly system, as Duke Energy is the only option for most customers.
Right now, North Carolina ratepayers are paying basically $2/3 of $1 billion more to Duke Energy than they would be if we were in just a wholesale competitive market.
9 companies and 5 industry groups sent lawmakers a letter last week calling on them to at least study a wholesale market that would enable other power generators to deliver electricity through Duke Energy's grid.
The purpose is to encourage the legislature to pursue a bill like House Bill 503 that would create a legislative study committee similar to what was done recently in South Carolina.
The group wants lawmakers to pass House Bill 503, which would fund a $500,000 study of the issue. South Carolina's state legislature commissioned a study years ago. And in May, a consulting group predicted savings as high as $362 million a year.
The reason that wholesale competition should really appeal is because that puts pressure on all electric prices.
Wholesale markets are common in the United States. You can see them here on this map. Not so common, though, in the Southeast. In their letter, the coalition said systems like these serve more than 70% of U.S. energy customers.
If North Carolina wants to continue to be able to recruit high energy users, we've got to have competitive electricity prices and reliable electricity service.
In a statement, the company says Duke Energy remains committed to providing affordable, reliable, and cleaner energy to all of our customers and will continue to look towards the future as we implement North Carolina's carbon plan. Chelsea Donovan, WRAL News, Raleigh.